Hi there, thanks for joining us. In this Repricer.com video, we're going to show you how you can take your prices from Amazon and pass them to eBay. And in order to achieve this, we're going to use Repricer's multi-channel replicator. Let's not waste any more time and get started. Choose multi-channel on the side of your screen. The first thing we need to do to get started with multi-channel is to create a replicator. The replicator is what passes your price from Amazon on to eBay. So let's create a replicator now. Choose Add Replicator. When creating a replicator, we start with the basics. We give it a nice recognizable name. Next, we need to determine our variance. The variance is what determines the difference between the price on Amazon and the price on eBay. For this example, we'll make it 5 pence cheaper. But of course, you can set it to be whatever you'd like, and you can even use a percentage if you prefer. So the next thing we need to set is our source and destination channels. The source channel can be any of our Amazon accounts that we've linked to Repricer, while the destination is the eBay channel we want to send our prices to. If you haven't yet linked an eBay channel to be your destination, you can do this on the channel screen. And now let's have a look at our last option, Auto Link. Auto Link allows you to automatically match up your SKUs between your source and destination. For example, if you had SKU 123 on Amazon, you would automatically link up to SKU 123 on eBay. And with all that said, hit next to continue the setup. And now we have our link review page. The link review page can be used to manually match up any SKUs that didn't match automatically. You can also see what variance is being used product by product. As part of our setup, we set this to 5 cents earlier. However, you can also do this on a product level as well. If you want to link two SKUs together, simply add the correct source SKU to the right hand side and then hit link. Just to make things easier, you can also filter or search your products, or even make changes to the columns displayed. We also have the remove price variance button, which will allow you to revert all your products back to the default variance. Now if you do have a lot of products, doing them here would take a while, so we'd normally recommend in that scenario downloading a CSV. Select the CSV option, then download a template. We can then link our SKUs there. The file you download will include any source and destination SKUs you've already linked, as well as those automatically linked, and it will also include any variances that you've changed on a product level. The file does include some other useful information you might find helpful, but you can also set a min-max for eBay only. If you prefer not to set a min-max here, there's nothing to worry about. We'll automatically use the min-max from your source marketplace. Now all we need to do is make whatever changes we want, be that changing the source SKU or making a new variance. With your changes made, save your file and import it back into Repricer. And with that done, you're now free to save your multi-channel replicator and move on. Just hit Save Replicator. Once it's saved, your replicator will automatically activate. For any new price changes on your source marketplace, you will automatically pass any changes periodically to your eBay store. When you're setting up your replicator, any source marketplace can be linked to as many replicators as you'd like. However, each destination can only be linked to one. And eBay is only one of the channels we offer on our multi-channel replicator. We also offer Shopify and Walmart. Why not set up those at the same time and really make good use of the feature? If you'd also like to learn a bit more of the other advanced features on Repricer.com, have a look at some of the other videos available on the channel. If you haven't yet started your trial, we offer one free for 14 days, no credit card required. Or why don't you get in touch to book a demo? Thanks for joining me today and have a great day.